Part 3. Now, we are ready to retrieve population data for Georgia for additional years. In our project window, to the left, you can click on the population tile to get the population data from additional years. By clicking the Population tab, you will see a filtered view with detailed categories as you move down the column, specifically for age, gender, income, poverty, and others like the tiles. You can scroll further down and select the population for the last 4 years, and a check mark will indicate that the year has been selected. But since we are not looking for subgroups, just the population data from the last 4 years, we can use a shortcut. Click the table cell with Total Population, and you will get a pop-up with the option to add additional years. Now, let's go to our median household income column. Click the table cell with Income, and we will get a pop-up to add the additional years. Select the past years and close. A second column with the United States data will be viewable by default. Click the header cell with United States, and the pop-up will give you the option to remove this column. You should now have a table with Georgia data with total population and median household income for all 4 years. Now, go to the upper corner and select the New View tab. Under New View, we will select and create a ranking table. When you click the tile, the data will load. Navigate to the upper left corner. Select the Done tab. In the generated table, you will see cities listed in the location column. But we are looking for counties, specifically all the counties in the state of Georgia. From the drop-down menu, select Counties. You will see the top 100 counties by default. But Georgia has 159 counties, so click on the list and select 1,000 so that we're sure to include all 159 Georgia counties. Your table should now list all counties in the state of Georgia with population and median income by year. Now that we have the data, we will need to export it. You have a few options for file types, but we're going to export to Excel. Your Excel file should list all 159 Georgia counties with the total population and median household income for each county for the past 4 years. In this section, we learned how to create a ranking table and download the data into Excel. In the next section, we will import and begin to map our data sets into Tableau. Part 4. Retrieving the census shapefile and importing Excel data into Tableau. We have enough data from Excel to start our visualization for the county level. But for this type of project, where we are working with census data at the region, tract, or block level, we need a format called a shapefile. The shapefile draws a polygon for each area in the dataset and allows Tableau to create a map from our census data. In Simply Analytics, navigate to the Map tab in the right column. From there, proceed to the View Action tab and select the Export Shapefiles option. Please note that the only way to export the shapefile from Simply Analytics is to email it to yourself. It should only take a few seconds to receive the file. The zip file you download should have everything you need for this exercise. Extract and open the folder on your desktop. Within the folder, you should see a data file, a shape file, this is a .shp file type, and an instruction page. Now, launch Tableau Public. When you open the program, you should see the data connectors on the left side. Some of the options are Excel, text, spatial or shapefile, etc. Select the Excel file connector. Go to the location where your files are saved. Remember, Tableau Public is limited in its servers and cloud storage to Google Sheets and Web Data Connector. Alternatively, you can drag and drop your Excel file into Tableau. At the top of the column, you will see a pound or hashtag sign. This is simply a visual cue for each column that contains numeric values, either whole numbers or decimals. A globe icon at the top of any column will indicate that that column contains geographic information, while an ABC icon indicates that that column contains only text information. To recap, we have collected our population and median household income data from Simply Analytics, downloaded our data to Excel, and retrieved our shapefile for our map. Next, we will open Tableau and begin to build our connections for comparison.